What's up? It's your boy Keith Skinner, aka Soul Slap G's, and this is the Cheat Code. So, this episode is for anybody who's like me. You're trying to dibble and dabble a little bit in cooking for yourself. You're getting tired of the fast food, the microwave, and all those kind of things. You want to have some options. So, today, got my brother with me, YD, CEO of Creative Catering. He's going to walk us through one of my personal favorites, Chicken Adobo. So, stay tuned, learn something, tap in. It's going to be good. Alright people, so the first thing that we go do is rinse these chicken thighs. So bro, go ahead and bust it open. We go rinse them off. Alright, bam. So we got the chicken all clean, bro. So just put it in the Dutch oven. You guys are gonna need like a Dutch oven or a pot or something like that. That's a little bit taller. We're making a little bit extra, so then that way, you know, bro can have leftovers. Alright, now that that's in there, we're gonna do equal parts soy sauce and white vinegar. So we're going to start with a cup of each and just repeat the process until it's covered. And now it should look something like this. Alright bro, so what you're going to do now is you're going to take that pepper and go ahead and put as much pepper in there as you want. Now go ahead and use the other side. It needs some pepper. Yeah. It worked better with cracked pepper, people, but we just gonna use what we have right here. All right, now so we go grab the garlic and just take a handful of garlic and put it in there. Me personally, I like a lot of garlic. You don't have to use as much, but it definitely needs to have some in there. And I choose to use fresh garlic, whole cloves, because I don't like minced garlic. Some of the flavor gets taken out. Alright, now so just give it a stir. Then after that, you just go take 3-4 of those bay leaves and throw them in there. Alright, that's good. And give it a quick stir. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the pot. We're gonna put it on the stove. We're gonna bring it up to a boil, then cover it, and then turn it down to a simmer and let it simmer for a while until the chicken gets, you know, fork tender. All right, now we got it up to a boil. Just go ahead and cover it, and then you turn it down to medium heat. We're just gonna let it simmer. Should take about maybe an hour for it to be fork tender, so you guys see the time. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and check it real quick. It's already fork tender.
Oh yeah, it's ready to go.
Okay. See, look at the time. I'm used to making more than this. Usually when I'm making it, I make a hell of a lot more. So that was only about 30 minutes. Okay, so the next thing that we gonna do, bro, like his sauce a little bit thicker. So we gonna add a little bit of cornstarch, some water, put it in here and make that sauce thicker. But I just want to show y'all something real quick. This is not the traditional way of doing it. You know, when you do it traditionally, you use whole chicken pieces with the skin and all of that on there. It takes some time to marinate, then you got to brown it and all of that. The thing that I don't like about that is that you see how we use chicken thighs, there's a little bit of grease there. If you use the ones with skin, there'll be a thick layer of grease. So this way it's a little bit more healthier. And then it's easier to manage. You don't got to worry about bones. All right, so we're going to thicken this up a little bit. Just take 2 spoonfuls of this cornstarch and put it in the cup.
Full spoons?
They don't have to be full spoons. Like, that's damn near enough, really.
Yeah.
All right, so just put a little bit of water over it. You want it not a paste, but not too liquidy. And make sure you mix it well. That should be good. All right, now we're gonna take it back over here. Just go ahead and pour it in. And then we're gonna let that bubble back up some. It's gonna thicken out the sauce, and then we pretty much ready. So another thing is normally you would have it with white rice or something like that. Bro don't really like white rice. He anti that. So what we gonna do is we go ahead and fuck with Uncle Ben real quick. You know, these are only like $1, $2 or something like that. Pop it in the microwave, cilantro, lime, and we just go do it like that today. And so now let's check it out. We got that thing a little bit thicker, more the bro's liking. Go ahead and cut him off. In a few minutes, well, in about 30 seconds, that rice will be done, and then we'll go ahead and plate, and there you go. Real quick, easy and simple. Cheat code. And there we go. Now, finished product. Yeah, see, I need my rice with the sauce. If you like me, your rice need a little something extra. Yeah, this look good right here, man. Yes, sir. It's him. That's him. That's him. So if you like me, something you gotta add to the menu. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so yeah, this is the first episode of Cheat Code. We just did a quick chicken adobo. You know, we gonna get a little bit better at doing this. You know, I'm not really good on being on camera and all of that, but we gonna rock it for y'all, man. We gonna up that closing rate, you feel me? Yeah, man, out of here.